Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial on Bootstrap. In the previous video, we have seen how we can use Bootstrap's collapsible section and add a collapsible section using a button or link in our web page. In this video, I am going to show you how we can use Bootstrap's accordion option and implement accordion collapsible sections in our web page. As you can see here, this is one example. When we click on any particular title or a subsection of accordion, content related to that particular section will be shown here. Similarly, if I click on group 1, content related to group 1 or section 1 that will be shown here. Let's see how we can build this one using Bootstrap's accordion. Currently you can see I have links to Bootstrap at the top in the header section and just one header accordion example and a paragraph for instruction to the user where user can see, and based on that one they can click on the accordion which we are going to show in this example now. There is a ready-made code available in Bootstrap's official website which we'll use for our example. Let's go to Google and search for Bootstrap Accordion. Here you can see getbootstrap.com. Go to that link. Initially they have provided example for collapse. Scroll down and you can see there is an example as accordion example. So let's copy this code and let's see how we can use this one and extend. I will explain this code in detail to you and how you can reuse this one to build any number of accordions in this one. As I've copied this code now, you can observe a pattern here. You can see there is a group or a division with class card which is getting repeated in this code. You can see class is equals to card, class equals to card, class equal to card. So within this main division where class is equals to card, some other divisions are added. So let's collapse these to understand it better. So as we have three sections or collapsible sections in our example, we have three divisions with class card. When you expand this one, you can see there is a header with a class called card header and a section or content related to this particular section or the title will be shown here. When you expand these two sections, class header and collapsible section, as I explained in the previous example, you can see there is a data toggle which we need to define, that is a collapse, which is defined in the title section and similarly in the section which we are going to show on click of this particular title. And similarly data target, you can see collapse 2 which is defined here for in the title and in the section which we are going to show. So this should be the unique identifier which we need to use. Suppose if I want to add another accordion, we need to have this id as a unique identifier. So if I go to the browser and refresh, you can see three collapsible sections are there. If I want to add another, as I explained earlier, there is a group of codes which you need to copy. You just copy this division with class card and paste it at the bottom and just modify wherever the third section link is there. So let me alter this one and change the title as 4. Save it. So now we are done adding the code for the fourth one. Let's save this file and go back to browser. When you refresh, you can see fourth tab has been added here. So that's all you need to do for adding a new section in a accordion. So this is a particular section which you need to copy every time whenever you want to add any new section, and based on that one you can change the identifiers here. As I told earlier, IDs are the unique ones which you need to modify according to the number of accordion sections which you are going to add in your accordion. That's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it to others.